안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today I want to show you how to make a crispy flounder or a flatfish in Korean style. It's called Gajami Twigim in Korean. Actually, I wanted to buy the whole fish, but there was only this at the grocery store today. You may use deboned flounder, fresh or frozen, or any type of white-meat fish that you like. I want to start from making the sauce. Chop 3 stalks of scallion. We'll need about 5 tablespoons, so use 2 to 3 stalks of scallion depending on the size. Place it in a bowl. Then finely chop 1 clove of garlic. Scallion and garlic will give a nice flavor to the sauce. Combine the aromatic ingredients with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add half tablespoon of mirin, half tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of honey. It's thick because it has been crystallized. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and mix. Give it a taste. I like the balance of sweet, salty, and nutty. Add 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. It will enhance the flavor of the sauce. This fish is already cleaned, but I want to show you how to remove scales from fish. Run the knife like this on the surface of the fish. Work on both sides. Wash the fish in cold water and pat dry. Lightly sprinkle with salt. Place enough oil to the pan and heat on medium. Dredge fish in sticky rice powder. Keeping the heat at medium. Cook fish on one side about 3 minutes, more or less depending on size of the fish. Rice flour and potato starch make a very thin and crispy texture. They both fry up crispier than wheat flour. You may turn fish a few times until slightly brown. Poke the fish with chopstick on the thick part to check if the fish is fully cooked. If you cook it in high heat, it will be burned on the outside and undercooked inside. So you need to be patient. Cook slowly in a medium heat until crispy. Remove the heat to a wire rack and turn off the heat. Then transfer the fish to a platter and pour thin sauce over half of the fish to enjoy the crispy texture of the other half. This is so easy to make and it looks awesome. One of the tips to make this fish dish delicious is to use the sticky rice powder. You may use potato starch, but I like to use the sticky rice powder because it's crispy and also at the same time it's very soft. It's very hard to explain in a word. Anyway, it's so delicious. I'll meet you on my next video. Bye bye.